What's going on, you guys? This is Art with Pro Italia here to bring you this one of my favorite ones, a 2022 Aprilia RSV4 factory in the black and red color scheme. But do me a favor, you guys, when you call, when you text, whatever the case may be, it does mean a lot that you guys are reaching out and asking for art. It helps to continue to make these videos for you guys to create a better sense of transparency, especially for all of our out-of-state clients. So again, ask for art, and I will always try to do my best to make it fun for you guys. So let's get back to it. We just took this bike in. It's really damn clean, so let's check it out. Fork seals look good, nothing on the drop points. It's got spider levers. It's got, from what I know, it's got the actual full race exhaust. Full race Akrapovic exhaust. Domino grips. Spyderco, same thing. For the clutch levers, they feel really good. Let's check it out. Hold on. Come on. There you go. 1,485 miles. Obviously it has the Öhlins, forged wheels. Oh, look at that. Everything looks nice. Nothing on the left side. Bike was stored away. Let's give it a cold start. Nice. So, it does have the obvious. So, what I like about that is that the turn signals go here instead of here. Once that's been done, bike turns on really beautifully. Give it a little rev. Nothing beats the sound of a freaking RSV4 or the V4s from Aprilia. But anything else I can see? Nope. Other than that, it's pretty much bone stock that I see. But come on by, you guys. Come and check it out. We do allow test rides. We do take in trades, and we do ship nationwide. Call, ask for art, and I will do my best to help you guys out. Thank you.